Hello friends, welcome back to Complete React course in Laravel 11. Last video we discussed about layouts. Suppose you can click on the login, so we did like a layouts. In this video we can cover for the login. So first of all we need to make a database connection, and database connection again we can add like one user like admin@gmail.com. After we can add like one passwords, 1 2 3 4 5 6 password. After you click on the login button, so we can log in using the React. In this video I will explain. Before we can start, you are new in the channel or in the series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website rrsolutioncode.com and you can buy it here script. You can see it here. Okay. So here is our script: school management there, Laravel 10, e-commerce there. We have already done series like big series done inside YouTube. This is the code, you can see it here. So let's start now. So first of all, we need to make this is the link to we need to make as a button. So just go to resources, JS, inside you can see it like component, inside you can see it like auth, inside login.js. Let's make a button. After we can discuss rest of things. So first we can sort out here button, okay, because I made a link this reason. And I just remove. And here you can see it button. Now let's go back again, refresh the page. Before we can refresh the page, we need to start our npm run dev, like here you can see it. So let's clear, and I can make zoom so you can see it like very well. And first we can go to bootstrap inside app.php and I comment out code, this code. Suppose you are using PHP artisan server, so you don't want to do, okay. I just use direct this region, direct a pathwise, you can see it here. So simple, we can make here npm run dev and just press the enter. So is our coding is started, because here I already changed the buttons. So just wait few seconds more. It started. You can see our app URL also showing. Let's go back again, refresh the page one time, and I just open my spec elements using the F12. So taking few seconds. The first time loading this isn't taking time, otherwise not take time. Okay, connecting here there. Now I'll click on the button, so is everything working very well, is a required field. And I don't want to need this the username, we need to change to username to emails. So simply you can change here emails, and we don't need this span, so, and also we don't need this is the line for the group, same like we did as a password. So just you can remove, and we don't need this is the also, so you can remove. Means we need to make a clean code, okay. And here also you can change emails, and also you can change like your emails, and here also you can change your email. This is the do you want to change, no need to change your dependency, and I can change this spelling email. I just go back, so it's automatic change, you can see it here, okay. So it's working very well. Now we need to use for the login, you click on the login, so we need to call one API in our side, and after we need to save, lots of things we need to do. Before we can do lots of things, we need to change, means we need to update our env file inside database connection. So first we can sort out here database connection, enter email and password to login. So we need to go to our env file, and here you can see db connection. So just you can change here my SQL, because I am using SQL. Here you can remove this one, also remove, all you can remove one by one. And here you can change to localhost. Do you want to change? No need to change your dependency, I always change, okay, localhost. Now is my project is like a React.js, so I can provide project name is a React.js, okay. Root is a username and password is a null, so we don't want to do anything else. Just create a new new database inside a phpMyAdmin. Simply you can go and click here new, and here you can create a React.js. So you can see new database found, now is created. Just open terminal again for your path, and you can type here php artisan migrate. So database automatic create all. So simply, and I should zoom out so you can see it proper way, php artisan migrate, and just press the enter. Once you can type and press the enter, taking few seconds, after you can see it here there's some table created. Okay, I not save these files, let me save. Okay, taking few seconds, nothing to migrate because of generative issue. PHP artisan migrate, preparing to migrate, because I have not saved this region files. Once I have saved, and after I can press the enter, so you can see it's working very well. Let's go back again and we can refresh the page, so you can see it's some table you can find out, like lots of table, cache log, fail, job bans, migrations, password reset token, and last one is there is the users. Now we can go to users, and here we need to add a new records. Simply I can go to my other project, and other project wise I can copy for the password, because we ever did like a permission tutorials in this series. So just go to users, and I can copy for this password, so it's good for me. Okay, admin@gmail.com. So I can change it, name is equal to admin, password is equal to admin@gmail.com, and if this is the password I know is a 123456. Your side, whatever password you can create is your password, but this password I know. Okay, and other things is just you can add dates. What do you want to add? No need to add, this is your dependency, and go. So here is a one account created successfully. You can see it in database. Let's go. You can see admin and email verify. You can do it like this, so it's good. Okay, now this is the account we did like admin@gmail.com, and this is the password 123456. I can tell you again. Now we need to add another. Let me do. I just refresh the page. Okay, so it's working very well because of the creating session. These reasons. Okay, is good. Now we need to do like a jQuery wise. We need to do like a submit the API, like a login API. I don't want to go XCO. XCO is a long code, very hard to understand. Suppose you know how to work like React.js, so your side is good. But my suggestions, my thing, my way, I am using always jQuery, because of the jQuery wise I can do it anything, because I know how we can make it logic. After your decision, suppose do you want to do other way, so you can do it. Okay, so simply you can open your terminal again, and this terminal again you need to add one command, npm install jQuery, and just press the enter. Once you can press the enter, taking few seconds, after you can see it, npm install jQuery is already done. You can see it. Package added up to dates, already 92 packages in 2 seconds, and like this is there. So is the jQuery install done. I already done like a XCO, but do you want to like, so you can do it XCO wise, but I like it jQuery wise, so I am explaining here jQuery wise. Suppose I am going to first like a package.json, so here you can see it like a jQuery, you see, so means is the install done very well. Okay, so this is the close. I don't want to need. Also we can go to login screen. So this login screen, first of all we need to find out the click event. Why do you need a click event? Suppose you click on the button, so this button again we need to save. So why I am working like this? We don't want to work like a button on change event and lots of link do. Better we can do like a ID for this one, like a form, and we can serialize the form. So we can do it very easy. So let's start now. So first of all I will provide a one ID for this form, like a login form. ID is equal to, after your decision whatever do you need you can use it. Okay, login form. So this is the login form. Once you click on the button, so we need to serialize for the email and password. So just go up, and we need to create a new function inside of pages. So this function we need to create, first we need to declare our React.js, and after also we need to declare our jQuery. So simply can do it like import dollar from, what is the name, the jQuery, simply like this. Okay, jQuery. So you can see it. Also we need to use effect, because here we can click, so we need to make effect for the React.js. So we need to import another library for the React. So same thing, you can go to resources, inside you can go to main.js. Okay? So here you can see it like you always doing the from React. Here is not that, you can see it here, import React from React, and here we need to create another one. Let's make a here capital React, like a use effect. Suppose you are changing here form click, we don't want to refresh, so use effect is going to React.js. React.js wise you don't want to refresh, and is working only these pages. Okay, so here I can make same like above you did link, so use words there, use effect. You can see I save these files, and I open my terminal, this terminal, so you can see no any error. Also you can see it here is no any errors. Okay, so it's working very well. Now we can make it here function use effect, and here you can do it like here you can type your function, and also you can do it like this, like a function closing is the syntax works. Okay, this is the his function. For this one use effect, and here we need to write our jQuery code for the events. Suppose I can do like this, like a login form dollar, I can use like a body. I always like, otherwise you don't want to use body, so you can do it like this dollar, because of the we have declare here dollar dot submit functions, and here we can do it e dot prevent default. After we can try is working not working. Okay, prevent default. Let's make console log so we can check it's working not working. Let's save these files, and here you can also change to method is equal to post. Okay, because we need to provide a method is equal to post. Let's save these files and just go back again, and here is any errors, cannot error, no any errors. I just go back again, I click on this button, so is asking required field. Let's add here something. Here you can see hi showing. You see, I don't want to refresh the page, automatic showing. So it's working very well, we have no issue. You can see 2 times hi showing, but this is I don't know, even default this reasons, like use effect here there, login form submit. Let's refresh the page, after I can check. So I don't take a risk, this reasons. Okay, and I just autofills whatever emails, like dummy emails. So you can see 1 time hi showing, means it is working very well, no issue. You can see it. You see, now we need to call our data, means we need to call here our API, means is a Laravel side, and Laravel side we can call, and we need to get the data using the controller. So first of all we need to create a one controller, like a auth controller. Suppose here is not controller, so just open your terminal here. So just you can type PHP artisan make controller. Here I can make like a auth controller and press the enter. So you can see here is the auth controller is ready, means is working very well, we have no issue. So this is the controller done. So before we can do controller coding, we need to sort out here Ajax coding. So I have lots of place, so just I copy, because I can type, so it's taking much time. It's better I can copy this code and I paste here. You can see like a $Ajax, and here you can see it like a API login. Otherwise you don't want to type API login, so also can work. Okay, let's make a, this is the our URL is a login only, no need a API, just is a login, and here is a dashboard redirects to dashboard. Let's comment out first, we can check the comment out, and here is a dollar this means this form we need to make a serialize, and tab is equal to post, URL is equal to login, means this form is submitting work very well. So let's show you is working not working. Just go back again, and here is a no any errors, you can see it. I just refresh the page 1 time because I don't want to take a risk. Okay, I click on the login, and I just go to network, so you can see it like a login is working, but page method not found, means method not allowed, whatever there, because of the we have not created. So simply go to routes web.php, and here we need to create for this method. Before we can create a method, we need to declare our controller. So simply you need to declare our controller like this. Use means this is the path, here is the app, here is the HTTP, means this is the folder, here controller. After you can see it like a auth controller, same class name. So let's copy and paste here. Okay, here we need to create a routes, simple routes, and we can do here post method, and just you can do it login, because of the we use the login only. And after we need to pass here our controller, means the auth controller, and we can do it class, sorry I put outside this reasons, class, and after we can pass here like a post login, post login, whatever class name do you want to, like you can do it. I just make a post login. Let's go to auth controller, and we can write here function, so we can check it's working not working. It is 100% not working because of the token, so we need to use here tokens also, request, and I can make here dd all, and just go back again, we can check. And here also you can make data type is equal to JSON, because I don't want to do like this, so data type is equal to JSON also you can use. Okay, Like very simple, very easy, like this. Data is equal to JSONs. Let's go back again. We can check it's working, not working. Routes is a because of the I forget to semicolon. This is the errors. I like it. Always generate the errors, so we can know about that. Okay, I just go back again, refresh the page here. So it's working very well. Let's go back again. Login API call. So you can see it, login API call, but CRF token is a mismatch. So this is the error generated. So this is the CRF token. How we can use? Just we need to go to resources. Inside need to go to views. Inside need to welcome.blade.php. So here we need to declare our CRF token. So it's very simple way. I just do now, and it is a CRF token. You can use like a meta name. Here you can declare directly meta name after CRF token fields and content CRF token, and here you can make like a one function for the token. So now this token we need to access inside header. So is always we need to access inside header is very hard. So let's go to our main file like main.jsk, and here we need to declare for the access part. So simply first we need to declare our jQuery. So simply you can go to login and you can copy this ones and you can put here. So we are done for the declaration for the jQuery. Now here we need to get the data for the CRF field token. So simply you can make like this CRF field token const. We have created one variable document query selector meta name, and here you can get like get attribute. What is the name? Content. So you can see it here like this contents. Okay. So here gets, let me, I could close so don't confuse. Okay. So what I did first I will declare here is a meta name inside like CRF token. This token I will get inside JSK. Otherwise you can declare here header, so possible, but is that taking much time? Why we need to waste of time here? Because always you are create Ajax or XEO is inside, so you don't need, but XEO inside also need header inside pass this token. Okay, it's a different method wise work, but this is the like a jQuery wise we are doing. So automatic declare in a main.jsk. So we need to pass here data. So how we can declare? So first of all here we can make like $.ajax setup. So let's copy the code. So we can't go big video, these reasons. Just copy and paste here code. So here is the two code here there. First of all is a base URL, because of we need to provide our base URL. Suppose my base URL there, this URL. You can see it here. So this is the my base URL. And after whatever URL I will concat inside login.js. So this is the login. So after this is the automatic concat login. Here is Ajax setup, and here our token headers inside. You can see it like XCRF token. Here you can see it. This is the token I have passed. Let me save these files, and now I will test is not working or not working. Just go back again, refresh the page. I like it to one time refresh, so we know okay it's working, not working. I just fill any emails. I just click on the login buttons. So you can see it's working very well. We are getting the email and passwords. You see it's very easy. Just you pass like a base URL. Here you can see it. Otherwise you can't pass base URL, so work, but I like it always base URL wise call the API. This reason. Suppose I comment out this code, so you can see it. What is the problem? Okay. I go back again and I fill this form and I just click on the login. So it's work, but he is going to directly localhost file name react like this. It's better you can provide a base URL proper. So it's working very well. It's 100% work. You can see it here also request inside 500 show, but sometimes it work, sometimes not work. Better you can provide always base URL like this. After your decision, whatever do you want to do, you can do it your end. Okay, I just passed like this. Now we need to work inside auth controller. Auth controller inside, so we are doing like a same old projects, like we are getting the data. So simply I can copy paste and we can do it very quick. Like authentications, like here you can see it like auth attempts, other thing we don't need like a status. And here is a read more also there, so let's copy, and I already did. Okay, it's already there, and I click on the read more logins is call. So here you can remember, so just I can make it here like a remember is equal to is not empty or a request remember. So is that going to true, otherwise need to go false. And this is the we need to pass here, and I don't think need any other data like delete billets, because I copy this reason. I don't want to need all things. just remove. So here what I did, like a simple authentication we are doing like other projects. I think your side already there, so you can do it like use auth attempts, email to email, request email, we are getting a password to password. Here is a true false. Suppose you are there, otherwise do you want to type like a by default, so also possible. And here I can make like a JSON request. So just using $JSON status is equal to false, and here I can pass like a message. And here I can make it like a status is equal to true, because it's a login this reason, and I can put here success. Okay, and now we need to provide here echo JSONs encode, not decode, encode $JSONs. Okay, it is very easy, very simple. Just save these files and just go back and we can check like authentication is done. Let's go back again, refresh the page. No need to refresh, just click on the login button. Just press the login button. So is checking, and here you please enter current content credential. Please enter like you can type like a proper way. Please enter like this is the message, your email address and password wrong. Email and password wrong. Whatever do you want to like, you can do it. Okay, I just did like this. Now this is the message we need to show like a alert. Suppose success, so we have no issue like a true. So simply you can go to login.jsk file, and here you can type like a if response.status is equal to true. So we need to redirect whatever we have did like a redirection. Otherwise we need to show alerts. And here I can type response.message. Okay, and just save. Let's now test final test is working, not working. Suppose working, so it's good. Let's click on the logins. You can see your email and password is wrong. Just I refresh one time, after we can test, because always not created build, this reason is calling multiple time API. I just click login password, just click here. So you can see your email and password is wrong. Now we can add like a real password or whatever there. Like I know this is like a different table, like permission table. We need to go to React.js inside. I think is already there. Like React inside, we can do admin, and here is the password 123456. I click on the logins. So okay, I think anything is a mistakes. Let's go to back again. Okay, I have not saved this file, this reasons. Okay, I save this file now and try to again call. So you can see redirect to dashboard, means user working variable login. So this is the login code, and it's very simple, very easy way I explain how to using jQuery wise. Suppose do you want to do like a different way, you can do it, but I explain like a very well. I hope you can enjoy. Next step, this is the page refreshing. We don't want to refresh the page, like we need to redirect directly. Suppose I click on the login, so we don't want to refresh because this is the React.js. Why we need to refresh? Direct we need to show dashboard redirection. And also we need to make like flash message good. So I can show you next message is a flash message, like a proper way, not like alerts. So step by step I will show you everything. Okay, I hope you can enjoy for this video. And do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching Error Solutions.